Quick truth before we start. Your reels are getting views. People are watching, but nobody is following. That is not a shadow ban. It is not bad luck. And it is not because your content is useless. There is a clear reason. And once you understand it, everything changes. Welcome to Thank God Jonathan TV. If your reels get views but no followers, listen carefully. Here is the biggest mistake most creators make. Views and followers are not the same thing. Views are passive. Followers are intentional. A view means someone scrolled past your video. A follow means someone decided you are worth coming back to. Think of it like this. Views are people walking past a shop. Followers are people who enter the shop and stay. Most reels are built only to stop scrolling. Very few are built to earn trust. That is why your numbers look good, but your growth is stuck. Now let's break this down simply. First problem, no clear identity. When someone watches your reel, they immediately ask one question. What will I get if I follow this person? If your content is random, the answer is unclear. Today motivation, tomorrow comedy, next day trending audio with no message. People enjoy it, then they leave because they do not know what you stand for. If you want followers, your content must send one clear message. This is who I am. This is what I teach. This is why you should follow. Second problem, no clear call to action. Hope is not a strategy. If you do not tell people to follow you, most of them will not. They enjoyed the video. They learned something. Then they scrolled. A simple sentence changes everything. Follow Thank God Jonathan TV for daily growth strategies. Say it clearly. Say it confidently. Third problem, your reel ends with nothing. No reminder, no next step, no reason to stay connected. A reel should not just end. It should point somewhere. End with a takeaway. End with a question. End with a promise of what comes next. Leave them thinking, I want more of this. Fourth problem, weak hooks and no captions. Most people watch without sound. If your first 3 seconds are boring, they scroll. If your message is not readable, they skip. Strong hooks pull attention. Captions keep attention. Attention creates follows. Now let's fix everything. Here is how to turn views into followers. Step 1. Pick one clear niche, one problem you solve, one type of person you help. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds followers. Step 2. Design your reels for followers, not just views. Do not ask, will this go viral? Ask, will this make someone want to follow me? Step 3. Use intentional endings. Tease the next video. Ask a direct question. Tell them exactly why they should follow. Step 4. Engage. Reply to comments. Pin helpful replies. Turn viewers into conversations. People follow creators who feel human. Here is a simple example. Instead of just posting a tip, say this. Most creators get views, but no followers because of this one mistake. Give the tip, then end with follow, thank God, Jonathan TV if you want real growth, not just views. That is strategy, not luck. If this video helped you understand what is really happening with your reels, like this video. Subscribe to Thank God Jonathan TV. Turn on notifications so you do not miss what actually grows your account. And comment the word followers below if you are ready to convert views into real audience growth. In the next video, I will show you exactly what to post when you have 0 followers. That video will change how you start from scratch. See you there.